So right now, we've got the two pumps running with no compressors running. So the West Arena and the curling rink both have their pumps running, but as you can see and here, there's no compressors running at the moment, and that's because there isn't enough load on the system yet to run the compressors. So you can see the cooling demand here on the curling rink versus the other two arenas. There's no demand on the two arenas, but the curling rink has demand. So what it does when the curling rink has demand is it circulates brine through the curling floor using the curling pump and the TC floor. And so the reason it does that is because it's essentially getting the cooling for the curling club from TC Arena, the West Arena, and then once this has essentially created enough demand for the compressors to actually run, then the compressors will get ramped up. If you look at these VFD screens, you can see what the pumps are running at. 88%, 95%, 22.8 amps, and the whole reason that this happens is because if you tried to run just the curling rink pump and one of these compressors, there wouldn't be enough load, there wouldn't be enough heat load essentially from the curling rink by itself to run the compressor. Alright, I'll answer any questions you have on that.